Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm just going to do a quick setup video, putting my new mini happy planner into my new Notiq mini happy planner cover. If you haven't seen my unboxing and everything that comes with this cover, I'll try to link it in the description box below for you to watch when you're finished with this video. So this is the very pretty Notiq blush cover, and I'm actually switching. I was using my Foxy Fix cover with my homebody dashboard layout, and I've just gotten back into using my mini planner. So I figured what a great way to start to go ahead and use a new planner. So I've had this planner a while, but since I quit using my mini on the go, I just never even used it actually. So it started in July. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this apart because I had some really pretty cardstock, so I cut it down to size, and Notiq sent these nice heavy duty clear covers with this cover. So I thought it would be really pretty to change out and use this as my cover. So let's just pull everything off of here because I am going to change my discs as well. I'm going to use, I think, gold discs. I contemplated using pink discs, but I thought since they weren't the exact shade of pink that they would clash. So since there's this gold down here and then the gold buckle, I thought gold disc would be really pretty with it. So let's pull everything apart and then we will reassemble. I love these white plastic discs, just the color of them and the thought of white, but I'm not a fan of plastic discs at all. And I do really like this black and white cover. It would be pretty too if you just used it like this, and that is always an option. So let's get to putting it together now. So we're going to go ahead and put it on gold discs, and it's kind of hard to do both of these covers at the same time, but I'm going to do it. And I actually thought about using classic size discs, but then I was like, you know what, I'm not even sure that I'm really going to use this planner much. It's going to be in my purse, so it'll be more like a list planner. So I thought I'll just stick with the mini discs for now, and then if I do use it quite a bit more than I'd planned, I will switch and put it on gold classic discs. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. I do want to stick these on here. So I thought this cardstock was really pretty. Oh, and I was going to show you, it came in this pack. And I got this pack from Michael's, of course, when it was on sale. This is this is Hobby Lobby. This is the Paper Studio. It's called Terrace Blooms. So it has lots of pretty different cardstocks that you can make covers with. So I have my inside and outside cover, and then let's just put everything back on the discs. And technically I pulled it out wrong. You're really only supposed to do 1 month at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick it in here, and I'll probably end up pulling July out because it didn't get used at all. I don't know, we'll see. But for the sake of today's video, we're going to just put it all back together. And then really the only other thing that I'm going to do is probably add a folder and just kind of see how it looks. Oh, I've got my stamps in my Foxy Fix right now, so I want to take those out. And I, of course, am not going to do this on camera, but I'm probably going to empty my wallet into here, put credit cards and things like that. I have a little key fob that has my main cards in it, like my debit cards, my Sam's Club membership card, of course. So just to kind of grab and go if I'm just running in the store and don't need to take my purse. But then all my other credit cards I have in my wallet, so I'll probably put those in this planner. And that way I'm just carrying a planner and not a planner and a wallet. So that's what I really liked about this one, this cover, is because it's got all the card slots. So let's get this put together. Hopefully, I don't know if you guys saw where the neutral vertical layout that's coming out for Stephanie, one of Stephanie's favorite things, is coming out to go kind of along with her book. So I'm hoping that this fall Happy Planner is going to release a lot more neutral layouts for us. I would love to have like something that is just black tabs with like black and white dividers, no pink. I don't know, we'll see. I thought about putting some paper in here. I have like my mini paper in this little photo box, but I'm not even sure that it's going to fit unless I take out July now. Let's see. Take out July. I don't like that. That does not go with my color scheme at all, but it's okay. And then we'll put just a little bit of note paper here in the back. And I need to grab my dividers out of my home body. So let's go ahead and do that. So I also made this really pretty vellum cover. I think I might use that too. Not cover, but like cover page. So let's grab, we have calendar to go in my monthly. Oh, I also ordered, like this is just lamination paper or the pouch that I made my own covers, but I have ordered some samples of some nice thick clear plastic, and I'm going to try to start cutting and selling some clear dashboards. You guys have been asking me about those forever, so that's something that you can be looking forward to here in the future. I just haven't received the samples yet to actually choose what kind I want to order. So all right, let's put, this is just an extra that I'm going to stick back here. And then let's put notes in there. And I think I'm going to actually put a separate back to actually slide into the cover so that I can keep my clear cover out. And we are in August, so we'll put my calendar tab under August. And even includes dog hair. And then I hope you already saw my plan with me for this coming week, or the current week when you're watching this. This has got like ink or something on it, but anyways. All right, so I think what I want to do is use my home body back cover. So let's pull the home body out of here. Make sure I didn't leave anything in that. Let's use the home body. Okay, oh, I was like, where is it? There it is. And let's just use that as a back cover to slide into the Notiq cover. That way I'm not losing my clear cover here. So that works pretty good. Now let's put in, see, I'm not crazy. This is really tight too. I'm not crazy about this cover sheet. Oh, I'm not crazy about how tight this is either. All right, let's pull some of this note paper back out. I'll just leave a couple sheets. I may have to end up going to classic discs very soon. So I'm just going to leave that in there for now. I don't even know if I have room for this now. But let's put this in here. I think this is just prettier than this pink cover. Yeah, this is really tight. Probably the next time you see this, it'll be on classic discs, but I'll do that off camera. So then I'm just going to put my stamps in here, and I did show in that unboxing video that my InkJoy gel pen fits right here. So we could put that there, and it fits very nice. And it really does have, like, you see all that extra room in there? It has plenty of room for my classic discs. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera because I still need to put my folder in here. So yeah, next time you see this, it will be on classic discs. All right, so that is it. That is my quick little setup video. Next time you see a mini plan with me, I will be in this pretty little planner here. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. Make sure you hit that little bell on the side there and choose all so that you get all notifications when I upload. I'll see y'all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.